What if you wanted to get more details about the pods? I'm going to show you another important command. Here we could use a kubectl get pods nginx-rs. Then you could add -0, O, not 0, but O, as in the letter O. Then wide. This is an important command that is going to give you more details related to the pod. For example, just compare that very command. Just compare that command to this command. So this very one is going to give you limited information about the pod. So here now you can see, including the IP addresses of the pods. You can see the node where they belong. You can see like the nominated node readiness, but this part of the this information is not necessary at this very moment. Instead, what I wanted to show you is how you can get more details about the pods that you have in your RS.